Now, the Kenya Union of Nutritionists and Dietitians is the largest group to oppose the latest US-Kenya health ties. The Union Secretary General Odera Ouma says the deal needs more consultation and better planning to ensure the protection of private medical data. Odera is also accusing the Health Ministry for being in contempt of court of payment of 176 million Kenyan shillings awarded to the union by the courts. Achola Simon reports.
Despite assurance from the government over the protection of personal medical data in the new agreement between the US government and Kenya, in the new multi-billion medical bilateral agreement, Ouma maintains that more consultations with stakeholders in the sector need to be carried out to seal any potential loopholes.
Of a person is a very private thing, and if you want to give it out to individuals without us participating, you are putting our sovereignty as a country at risk.
The Kenya Union of Nutritionists and Dietitians Secretary General also accused the government of doing so little in addressing the concerns by players in the sector.
We need national dialogue and national consultation into this matter, and this also draws my attention to the members of parliament. Everything that an elected leader signs in this country, we now need to reach a level where we must hold everybody to account. So we are asking on the MPs that we need to come up with a law which will protect members of public.
KUNAD is the latest stakeholder in the health sector to raise concern over the agreement that the government says will change the sector for good. At the same time, Ouma Odera has also accused the Health Ministry of being in contempt of court after it failed to pay the union 176 million Kenya shillings as ruled by the Employment and Labour Relations Courts back in February 2025.
Despite this clear order, 507 nutrition and dietetics professionals remain unpaid. This continued non-compliance amounts to contempt of court and undermines the rule of law. And in this regard, the PS, the CS, the two PSs and the CS are in contempt of court, and we think we might be compelled to look for other legal remedies to find them out of office, because they are not supposed to be in the office when they cannot obey the rules and the laws and the constitution of this country.
Odera Ouma also says his union is alarmed by unreasonable demands by the advocate handling the case.
Now, the advocate was not a beneficiary to the main suit. It was part of the defendant. His only response was a preliminary objection, which was struck out, after which he withdrew from the case. A written fee agreement dated 7th January 2019 capped his fees at 450,000, which was fully paid by the KNDI, Kenya Nutrition and Dietitian Institute.
The demands, he says, is in total disregard of the previous agreement. Achola Simon, Lantern News, Kisumu County.